In this problem, we're asked to graph the function f of x is equal to 6 minus the absolute value of x in the standard viewing window of a graphing calculator. We're then asked to trace the graph from left to right along the representative portion of the interval and then answer the following questions. So first I'll proceed to graph this function. So I'll enter the y equals, and I'll just clear out that previous equation, and I'll put in 6 minus, and the absolute value is within math, and if I scroll over to number, ABS is the absolute value. I want to put in my argument, which is x, and I want to close off my absolute value. Next I'll hit zoom and 6, and it will produce the graph. So aligning that with the answer choices, we see that the correct response is C. And next we're asked to identify whether this graph is increasing or decreasing over the interval from negative infinity to 0. So as we look at the graph from negative infinity to 0, and these values are located on the x-axis, as we trace the graph from left to right on that interval, notice that our graph rises, which would indicate an increase.